Hey everyone, welcome to C Simplified. I am Satvik, and in this series I will help you learn programming using C and that too step by step. If you have never coded before, don't worry. We will go slow, explain everything clearly and make sure you understand what's happening behind the scene. For now, in today's video, we will talk about what C actually is and how to install the tools we need, and we will write your very first C program, the classic Hello World. So, first, what exactly is C C is a programming language which was developed by Microsoft. It's used to make a lot of things like Windows apps, websites, games, and even mobile apps. It's called a high level language, which means it's easy to read and understand. C uses something called as Object Oriented Programming or OOP, but don't worry about that yet. You will understand it slowly through examples. Basically, you can think of C as a way to talk to your computer and you give it instructions to perform tasks. To write and run C code, we need a text editor and a compiler. For that, I will use Programmist, but I suggest you to use VS Code. I won't be using it because my VS Code is facing some issues. So, these are the steps to download VS Code. First, you need to open any browser. In the browser, you have to search for this link code.visualstudios.com. After you click enter, you will be taken to this website. There is a blue icon here. Click it and there would be multiple options: Windows, Linux, Mac. Click on this for downloading for Windows, these for Linux, and these for Mac. After you have downloaded it, the interface would look something like this. This is the interface of VS Code. When you open it, there would be an option of adding files. Click and download any file and create your first file called, you can name it anything, but add cs after the dot to make it a C sharp programming code. Now also don't forget to add these extensions .NET, C sharp and C sharp dev kit. As I said before, my VS code is not working. That's why I'm going to use Programmist. Here you go. So here is Programmist. It also has a basic layout. Here you can choose the language you want to code, and this is the place you can write your codes. So let's start. In here you could see using systems, public class, public static void. Each of them have a different meaning. The using system is a line that tells C that we want to use features from the system, like displaying text. The class program, this is like a box that that stores our code. Every program in C is inside a class. The static void main, this one, this is the starting of every C program. The computer begins running your code from here. And finally, the main, Console.WriteLine. This line helps in writing this line into the console. So for example, this tryprogrammist.pro is by default, and if I run it, the output would be tryprogrammist.pro. If I change it like hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, it would change the output to hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you understand the basic of how C works and you have officially taken your first step into programming. In this video, in the next video, we are going to learn about variables and data type and how to store and use information. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification so you don't miss the next part of C Simplified. See you in the next one.